Spectrum routers typically operate on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. The 2.4 GHz band offers a wider range and better penetration through walls, making it suitable for devices like IoT devices and older gadgets where a stable connection is more important than speed. The 5 GHz band provides faster speeds but has a shorter range and is more susceptible to interference, making it ideal for high bandwidth activities such as streaming and gaming. You might want to switch devices to the 2.4 GHz band or disable the 5 GHz band on your Spectrum router if you're experiencing connectivity issues with devices that are far from the router. If you have older devices that only support 2.4 GHz or if you're encountering interference on the 5 GHz band. As of 2025, FCC data shows 5 GHz congestion at 70% in urban areas, making 2.4 GHz a more stable choice. Consider whether splitting the bands, giving them different names, or completely disabling 5 GHz is right for your needs. To split the bands or disable the 5 GHz band, start by logging into your Spectrum router's admin panel. Enter 192.168.1.1 into your web browser's address bar while connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. The default username is admin, and you'll find the password on a sticker on the router itself. Once logged in, navigate to the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings section in the router's interface. This is where you'll find the options to configure your Wi-Fi bands. To split the bands and give each frequency a unique network name, enable separate SSIDs for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Give them distinct names so you can control which band each device connects to. To disable the 5 GHz band entirely, find the toggle or setting that controls the 5 GHz radio and switch it off. This forces all traffic to the 2.4 GHz band, which can improve coverage but reduces overall speed. Remember to save your changes and reboot the router for the new settings to take effect. After making these changes, devices will either connect to your selected preferred band or be limited to the 2.4 GHz band. Spectrum's My Spectrum app, version 25.2, released in June 2025, now includes in-app band toggles, reducing the need for web logins. If you decide to split the bands, remember to manually select the device's band connection from the settings menu on each device.